Here is a video on how to make a simple portable speaker. Let's get started. You can download the circuit from the link given in the description. Always use a heatsink for any audio amplifier circuits. Connect the components to the IC as per the circuit diagram. Don't apply too much heat on the IC. These electrolyte capacitor has different polarity. The longer lead is a positive one and the shorter lead is a negative one. So careful while connecting these capacitors. For these capacitors, it does not have any polarity, so you can connect in either way. I have used the MDF boards to enclose the circuit. You can buy it from the local plywood store. Cut the MDF board to fit the speakers. Here I am using a Woofer speaker of 10 watts and a normal speaker of 5 watts. Connect a rechargeable battery of 12 volts or you can use a constant DC supply source. Connect a switch in between the VCC line. Now our project is ready. Let's see how it's working. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos and hit the bell icon for instant notification. Do share this video. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. If you have any query or feedback, please do comment below. Thank you.